Express is an all-in-one product that removes the need for a tea kettle, instant hot, or a disposable and messy countertop coffee maker. It's self-filling, so no more water mess, just add coffee. Your Brew Express gives you the choice of brewing only 1 cup, half carafe, or full carafe. Use 1 cup settings for making single cups of tea or making instant soups and other hot beverages. Plus, it's great for making hot chocolate. The infrared sensor stops the water from running if the cup or carafe is removed. This also keeps the kids from turning the unit on when there's not a cup or carafe present. The thermal carafe keeps the coffee hot without a warmer plate, which saves power, plus no hot surfaces. Best of all, the Brew Express makes great coffee, and it'll keep doing it for years and years of reliable service. It's tested to commercial coffee maker standards. The Brew Express is possibly the last brewer you will ever buy. Given the reliability and no need to add water to make great coffee, the Brew Express is perfect for a busy office environment. It's programmable so the coffee is ready when you are.
This is for lovers of craft filter coffee, for those who demand the gold cup standard or prefer to customize to suit their individual taste, the pour-over fans, the people who love their coffee strong, brewers who believe it's best served over ice, and those who like a slow cold brew. This is the Breville Precision Brewer, the world's first 60-ounce drip coffee maker, with the precision required to brew craft filter coffee automatically, with more precision and adjustability
via their Mocha Master coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature. Mocha Master's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation time. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee bloom and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in every cup. Quality in craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Mocha Master coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate-free. Mocha Master coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.
The secret is a commercial-grade stainless steel tank that's always full of hot water. Pour cold water in, and hot coffee comes out less than 4 minutes later. Simple, fast, amazing.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.